प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी इस वक्त देखिए वर्चुअली यानी कि वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग से जुड़ चुके हैं।
सफरा की ओर से मैं आज के इस समारोह की सूत्रधार गीतिका गंजूधर आप सभी महानुभावों का हार्दिक स्वागत करती हूँ, हार्दिक अभिनंदन करती हूँ। यहाँ उपस्थित सभी गणमाननीय अतिथियों का और बहुमूल्य श्रोतागण का हार्दिक स्वागतम। सफरा में आज हम सब के लिए ये अत्यंत गर्व का विषय है, अत्यंत खुशी का पल है, क्षण है कि भारत के वैभवशाली, लोकप्रिय, आदरणीय, माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी आज हमारे साथ इस इनॉग्रल सेरेमनी में उपस्थित हैं। जोरदार तालियों के साथ हम ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी का स्वागत करेंगे। Sir, we are deeply honored and greatly privileged with your esteemed presence. We welcome you, sir, with all our hearts, with deepest gratitude and boundless happiness. Ladies and gentlemen, देवियों और सज्जनों, आज ये केवल एक सुविधा का शुभारंभ नहीं है. This is not just an inaugural ceremony of a facility. ये एक नई पहल है. फ्रांस और भारत और फ्रांस के बीच सहयोग का एक नया स्वर्णिम अध्याय. आइए शुरुआत करें. To begin this morning's proceedings, may I please invite to the podium a leader whose commitment has masterfully integrated Safra's operations globally. Please join me in welcoming Chairman of Safra, Ross McInnes, for the welcome address. Namaskaram, sir. A very good morning to you.
Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji, Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri Revanth Reddy, Honorable Minister of Civil Aviation, Shri Ramohan Naidu, and Honorable Industry Minister of Telangana, Shri Sridhar Babu, and dear partner, J.M. Rao. Dear partners, dear colleagues, chers amis, I'm deeply honored to welcome you today to the inauguration of our new LEAP engine maintenance facility here in Hyderabad. Your presence today is testimony to the uniquely strong bond between India and France, a bond built over 7 decades of trust and friendship, rooted in a shared ambition of strategic autonomy. This strong bond also reflects the relationship our group, Safran, has forged with your country over these last 70 years. In the defense sector particularly, on which I will focus my remarks, and our Chief Executive, Olivier Andriès, will talk more about civil aerospace. Safran started its relationship with India in 1953, when we provided the engines for Dassault's Ouragan fighter aircraft. A decade later, our helicopter engines were powering the Alouette used by Indian forces. The 1970s marked the beginning of our cooperation in the space sector, with the full technology transfer of the Viking rocket engine, which led to the Vikas engine developed by the Indian Space Research Organization. It gave India full sovereignty in space launches. In the 1980s, several Safran companies started to establish offices and production sites in the country. A number of sites that has continued to increase very rapidly. And today, I'm proud that Safran is the sole supplier of HAL turboshaft engines, and there are over 1,400 Safran helicopter engines in service in India. India is the #1 market for Safran's inertial navigation and systems, with more than 2,200 systems installed on combat aircraft, helicopters, submarines, frigates, tanks, and artillery guns. In short, on air, land, sea, and below the sea.
आगे प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी क्या कुछ कहते हैं, क्योंकि आप देखिए सफरान एयरक्राफ्ट इंजन सर्विसेज इंडिया सुविधा का यहाँ पर उद्घाटन प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी की तरफ से किया जाना है और ऐसे में तमाम जो मेहमान हैं वो वहाँ पर पहुंचे हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जब ये सौगात देंगे, एक बार फिर से आपको तस्वीरें दिखाएंगे।